Welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of martial arts build. I'm building a martial arts school here in my hometown, and I want to give you the next step of what I got done. You see the mats are behind me. This is what I just got done yesterday and today. Today I just kind of glued or velcroed the mats down. Let's go ahead and just give a look at this real quick. So I got my seats right here. This is where parents seating area with the shoe cubbies. Pretty nice there. Let me focus you down to the mat here. So see how the edge here, I velcroed the parts up here and they seem pretty solid. I don't think I will have a problem with that. So I am, I'm pretty good. And so it goes all the way down here and then across the floor to the wall over there, and that is all velcroed down. It seems to work, so I'm going to be pretty impressed because that was a cheap job that I didn't have to do. Over here is one of the two cubbies. So see the two cubbies here and here. Those were here, and if you saw my first video, those were up against the wall that I'm pointing to, and I was like, hey, you know what, I can use these. One from my front kiosk desk, and then equipment right here. I got my boards, slap pads, hand pads, arm pads, all that. And these are my two wave mashers that you've seen in the other videos. But since I'm not with my old association, I got these kind of these, what are they? Just kind of fold over protective covers, I guess, that have my GTMA, Global Traditional Martial Arts logos on them with the dragons. Really cool. I like them. And there is my old buddy Bob. He is going to be, hopefully this is going to be their home for the next few years, I hope, or next lot of years, because I really like this area. It's a great location. I couldn't be happier. Let's go back into the office. I don't know if you saw the wall that they built, but this is my office here. Door. So if you see here, the door doesn't go, or the wall doesn't go to the ceiling. I just, if you remember the stage layout, this is the frame from the stage. So all of that is the frame of the stage. I guess it was that deep, and they just propped it up, made a couple modifications, put a door in there, and I have my office. So let's walk in there, and I'll let you guys see this first. So here's the office. Of course, there's my certificates that you saw in my old videos. There's my year-end calendar. This year-end calendar, I swear by these. I couldn't do my job if I didn't have a visual to look at through the year. All my testing dates, my vacation dates, if I go to tournaments, camps, clinics, I put those all on this calendar, and so I can see it as as the days go by. I can just see it, and then my brain can kind of keep that in my thinking process, and so I won't get all frustrated because I was like, oh, I forgot about it. So that's cool. My desk, my landlord, he is amazing. I could not be happier with the landlord. He's like, yeah, I'll give you this desk. It's old. It's from 1970s, 1980s. The solid steel. I love these. I love these desks. All of it, the drawers work. It's a solid wood counter. Love it. Chair was here. I'm going to hang my flags after my my wall mirrors get put up. But yeah, this is it right here. Not too much. I didn't want it too crazy. I'm going to put a couch, little love seat right there, so I can watch TV when I get bored before classes. But so this empty wall right here is going to be the front. So that wall right here, there's going to be wall mirrors I'm going to put up. And they're gonna start from about right here, and they're gonna go all the way down. I think you can see a light switch somewhere over here. I think it's right over in this area here, a light switch. So this is gonna be all covered with wall mirrors. And then I'm gonna hang my flags right here, 1, 2, 3. And then somewhere I'm gonna put my, my clock. And then class is open. Like I'm gonna be open for business. Here's the outdoors, train running by. Got an open sign. My sign, I don't know if you can see the sign on the door there, but the lady already put the signs up near the road and up on top of my building. And I might give you a quick look at that here in a picture. So there it is here. But other than that, guys, I couldn't be happier. It is running smooth. I got all of my my business stuff taken care of, my insurance. I'm just waiting on my equipment, all my my student uniforms, and some duffel bags that are coming in with one of the companies that I'm going through. And other than that, that is all I have left that needs to be shipped in. And yeah, ready for business after that. I should be opening up May 1st is going to be my first opening. I got some interest. People are coming up. They're looking at looking in the windows. Man, that sign you could see from down the road, from quite a ways. So I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, that's all I got for number 3. And if you guys have any questions, concerns, if you think, you know, if you like the layout, go ahead and comment down below. Till next time, guys, go ahead, train hard, train smart, and I'll see you then.